Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to create photo album in PowerPoint. To create photo album in PowerPoint, you can do the following. Open your PowerPoint presentation, select Insert tab, then Photo Album. In the Photo Album dialog box, click File and Disk. Select the photos which you want to include in your album. Then from the album layout, you can choose picture layout and shape. Click Create to view your album. Then you can adjust your slides as per your need. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.